We're going to go ahead and show you CoPilot here. We're going to mark up some zones. Just a disclaimer, this is done in post. CoPilot gives traders a way to capitalize on real-time market data that few traders are aware of. Our order flow analysis is the secret weapon of professional traders. B4 CoPilot for NinjaTrader provides you with a comprehensive and customizable way to view the market and capitalize on the order flow data. Order flow combined with automated trading allows us to detect and immediately capitalize on quick spikes in the futures markets. Our systems allows you to use complex principles of tape reading without the complexity and skill set that's normally required. If you're not familiar with order flow, read about it in the links below. Many professional traders that work in prop trading firms and big hedge funds swear by it. The principle of this strategy is it allows you to ride institutional entries and exits as they scale into positions. We've taken traditional order flow to the next level, combining it with advanced trend detection and charting in a dynamic, easy-to-follow system. Aggressive buyers and sellers leave their mark on the market. Their levels of activity often become low-risk trade entries when retested, as well as support and resistance. B4 CoPilot highlights on the chart exactly where these low-risk entries are, accounting for price pattern recognition and order flow as it changes in real time. Alright, we're going to go ahead and arm CoPilot here. CoPilot automatically determines the trend using impulse and correction, riding the wave, scaling into positions using this method. Our automated advanced order flow gives you an edge over other traders. It gives you a better read of what's going on behind the scenes. CoPilot combines the power of footprint order flow charts with the more pleasing look of a normal candle chart. Our signals allow you to enter when buyers and sellers are in control of the market live as it happens. B4 CoPilot can be used on just about any market that has adequate daily volume. We are armed here. Let's go ahead and turn our attention back to the chart. Alright, we entered into a trade. We are in 4 contracts. Notice we have an ATM strategy set with NinjaTrader. This allows us to enter the trades, take out emotions, but we can also manually adjust that according to price action that's relevant on our charts. The question often arises, what discretionary style trading is CoPilot used for? It's suitable for intraday trading, swing trading, and long-term position trading alike. Alright, we're holding support there. We're going to go ahead and set our stop loss. And that takes us out, and we're negative $666.32. We're going to go ahead and rearm CoPilot. Losses are part of trading, and just like with any strategy or any trading, losses will occur. So let's keep that in mind as we go forward. Let's get back to the trade here. We are armed long in the trend mode. Let's see what CoPilot does. One of the great things about CoPilot is no longer do you have to look at those footprint charts with thousands of bid-ask numbers and zoom in to scale so close that you lose the big picture. Instead, you can use normal candlestick charts and any bar type you like without losing any of the key footprint signals. We want to take the time to thank you right now for watching this video, and please ask you to watch till the end. It helps us in our ratings. Again, thank you very much. Alright, there's our triple stacked imbalance. Had a bearish whale come in there, had an imbalance fire that enters into a trade. our stop loss down according to price action, hide behind that wick there. First target taken out. Trend line giving us confidence in that trade. Boom, took out our second target. Very good. We're at $492.36. We'll go ahead and rearm CoPilot here. Do you know why most traders fail? It's not caused by flaws in their strategy or a lack of desire to succeed. The biggest problem retail traders face is undercapitalization. Recently, B4 has partnered with several prop firms for the release of B4 CoPilot. Our intention is to empower our traders, giving them a chance to earn full-time incomes through our affiliations, Lilo Trading and Apex Trading. You take the trades, let our affiliates take the risk. Now with CoPilot, you can reach your full trading potential with confidence without the fear of losing your own capital. We do have it armed, and our orders are 4 contracts. We are on a 10 range chart. Alright, we're going to adjust everything here. It looks good. It took our first target. We're going to walk that stop on up. Hide behind that triple stacked imbalance right there. We just went ahead and pulled that stop loss up there, right there at that reversal point, and we cleared $1,738.54. B4 CoPilot minimizes emotions throughout the trading process. By keeping emotions in check, traders typically have an easier time sticking to the plan. Since trade orders are executed automatically with our system, once the trade rules have been met, traders will not be able to hesitate or question the trade. In addition to helping traders who are afraid to pull the trigger, automatic trading can curb the appetite of those who are apt to overtrade, buying and selling at every perceived opportunity. Let us improve your trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to go a bit further, we're here to help. Get signed up today. We want to thank each and every one of you for your support. These videos have been taken off immensely, and thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.